2019 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, front floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, fog lights, electronic stability control, tachometer, Sirius Satellite Radio, rear floor mats, brake assist, tilt steering wheel, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, low tire pressure warning, radio data system, 4-piece floor mat set. Come take a test drive today.